Did you know succulents can survive in cold climates? Sounds surprising, isn't it? Succulents, known for their water-storing leaves and ability to withstand arid conditions, are often associated with warm, desert-like climates. It's a common misconception that these resilient plants can only thrive under the sun's scorching heat. But guess what? Succulents are full of surprises, and one of them is their ability to adapt to cold climates. Today, we're going to debunk this myth and talk about how succulents can indeed survive and even thrive in cold climates. There are specific types of succulents known as cold-hardy succulents that have adapted to survive in cold climates. These remarkable plants possess thick, waxy leaves and deep root systems, characteristics that enable them to withstand frost and snow. Some of these hardy survivors include the sempervivum, sedum, and certain types of echeveria. These are not your everyday succulents. They are warriors of the plant kingdom, adapted to thrive where others might wither. These cold-hardy succulents are not just survivors, they can add beauty to your garden even in the harshest winters. So how exactly do these succulents survive in cold climates, you might ask? The secret lies in their unique survival mechanisms. These resilient plants store water in their leaves, stems, and roots, cleverly preventing them from freezing in icy conditions. Even more impressive, their leaves can undergo a color change, forming a protective shield against UV radiation and cold damage. These survival mechanisms make succulents tough plants that can withstand even the coldest winters. So now you know, succulents are not just for desert landscapes or indoor decorations. They're a versatile bunch, braving not only the scorching sun but also the biting cold. We've explored cold-hardy succulents, their unique survival mechanisms, and how they've adapted to thrive in chilly climates. These resilient plants truly add a touch of green to every season. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Until next time, happy gardening!